I'm so glad you've decided to start this exciting journey. So the first thing I would like to show you today is how to get products to sell. Finding products to sell is very easy. Just think of a product you know and trust and type it into the Google search bar, followed by the words affiliate program. Let's use Walmart for example. Almost everyone has heard of Walmart, but did you know you can sell their products and get a commission? Now just a word of warning, even though there are millions of products out there, they are not all created equal. You can join a program, spend countless hours and thousands of dollars promoting it, but when it comes to paying you, there are only crickets in the background. The programs I'm going to show you are ones I use daily and have great success with. So open up the accounts with me and I will show you how they work. Basically what you want to do is try and put out a variety of products, as not everyone's needs are the same. Some customers would like to make money online, while perhaps others would like to lose some weight. So having multiple offers will help you make sales on a daily basis. So let's get started. Below this video, there is a red button named click here to follow. Click on it now. And take note, it opens up a new tab. Click on the new tab that reads Warrior Plus. Now before we get started, Warrior Plus products mainly focus on making money online. These products have a great market as everybody wants to get rich overnight. Follow my cursor and click on the Create an Account button. Give it a couple of seconds to load. It's fairly self-explanatory. Enter a username, a password, your email address, tick the I am not a robot box, simply click on the images if you are asked for any, then click on Create Account. The next page simply asks you to verify your account. You can do this by going to your email, finding the email from Warrior Plus that reads verification required. Once you've opened your email, you will see a section where it says click to complete the registration. Simply click on the link and a new tab will open, taking you to the login page. Fill in the username or email address and the password you used to create the account and click on the login button. First thing we are going to do is make sure you get paid. So in the top right corner, you will see a big red button with your username on it. Hover your mouse over the button and click on the My Account tab. On this page, we need to click here on the Merchant Account section. Click on the green Add New Account and a drop-down menu appears. Click on PayPal tab. If you don't have a PayPal account, do not worry. On the next page, you will get the opportunity to create one. If you don't have one, click here to create one. And if you do, click on the Login to PayPal button. Then simply fill in your PayPal email address, add your password. Now I've already done so, and this is the page you will see after you log in. Now a sad fact about any business is there are people that will demand a refund. So all Warrior Plus is asking here is that you grant them permission to be able to reverse a payment should they have paid a commission into your account and someone requests a refund. Click on the Grant Permission button, wait for the app to run, and as soon as it's done, you will be taken back to your Warrior Plus account. Great, we can now receive commissions. Let's choose a product to sell. Click on the Affiliate tab here and then on Offers. Now we see a lot of offers and we need to be smart about choosing one, as choosing a bad product will just be frustrating. So what can this page tell us about the product? Here on the left, this little half circle tells us it's a recurring product. And if you don't know what that means, think of Netflix. You have to pay them every month if you want to stay connected. And the same is true about this product. Now what is nice about it is that you get paid a commission month after month for as long as the customer stays a member. So these products give you a monthly recurring income. But not everyone wants to join a subscription service, and that makes the product a little harder to sell. This one has no half circle, meaning it's a straight up sale. So what I suggest is having at least 5 of both of these to promote. Next, we want to look at the conversion rate. For example, a 10% conversion rate means only 1 out of every 10 customers that you send to this offer will purchase, whereas a 50% conversion rate means that 1 out of every 2 will purchase. I focus on products with a 30% or higher conversion rate. We now need to consider the refund rate. Now, if this is a bad product, you'll be faced with a lot of reversed commissions, and we don't need that. So look for low figures. There are more pages, just click here. I suggest starting by choosing 10 of the best, both recurring and direct sale products. Write them down on a piece of paper, and I will show you how to filter it down to the top 5. Don't start choosing now. Let's rather finish the course and you can come back to this. So let me show you how to filter them. Click on the product name. Now click on the sales page button. Have a look at the sales page and ask yourself this. Is what they claim believable? Does this product offer to make you $1 million overnight? Or is the claim more believable, like $2,000 per month? Customers aren't stupid, you know. Next, look at the video. Watch the video. Does the presenter sound convincing, or is he off-putting? Remember, you are sending customers to this page, and this page has to make the sale for you. So if it's good, tick it. If it's bad, cross it off your list. Narrow it down to the top 5 recurring and top 5 non-recurring sales. Again, not now. Let's do it after the course. Next, let me show you how to request approval to sell the product. Go back to the product page and click on the blue request button. First, take note of the seller's name here in the profile section. Write it down and click on the request offer link here. You will notice that you have an option where your commissions should be paid to either your Warrior Plus wallet or your PayPal account. Now, PayPal does not like dealing with a lot of refunds, and rather risk your PayPal account being closed, request that your commissions be paid into your wallet, as you can always withdraw it later. Over here, you have an option to add a note to the seller. Remember, you are brand new to this site, and your rating is 0. The seller doesn't know you from a bar of soap. He doesn't know if you're going to be sending a load of spam traffic that does not convert and bring down his conversion rate so that others might not want to sell it. So use this opportunity to sell yourself to the seller. And don't be lazy about it. Go comb your hair, put on your best t-shirt, then pick up your phone, put it in selfie mode and make a video of yourself saying, "Hi," your first name. So it sounds something like this. "Hi, I'm Marius. I would like to request to promote your product. I might be new to the site, but I'm not new to affiliate marketing. I will be sending you YouTube and AdWords traffic and promise I will not be sending you any spam. Please consider approving me." Then upload the video to YouTube or TikTok and write the following in the note section. "Hi," put the seller's name. "I would like to promote your offer. Please view my application online," and give him the link to your video and hit the send button. Do this for each product you have chosen. You might be thinking, why lie to the seller? Well, you are not. As we go on, I will be showing you how to filter out spam traffic so that you are not lying. It may take a couple of hours or even a couple of days for your link to be approved, but you will receive an email to let you know the results. Let me show you what it looks like when it is. Here you can see the request has turned green. Just click on it, get your affiliate link, Open up a spreadsheet or something and paste your link there to have easy access to it in future. So let's move on to the next video where I will show you how and where to get some more products. Just click on the button below.